Hello, viewer. Welcome to Greddy's Garage. It is time to get off my rear end. I've been watching college football. It is time to get off the rear end and do something about this Fender. I need to get this thing off. Get the new one on. I've got a ride coming up in a couple days. I got to be ready for it. So let's get after it.
Well, I guess we should talk about what we're going to do. And first, we just need to get the hood open, which is hard to do with one hand, by the way. All right, in order to get this fender off, I've got to remove these bolts under here, those bolts right there. I've got to take out the battery because, unfortunately, this has the battery tray on it. I got to take that off. I got to take all of this lovely stuff off of here. So mostly it's just unbuttoning and unbolting and taking stuff off. In other words, it's just a lot of work, that's all. May as well start with the battery. A lot of stuff going on. Should probably zip tie all that together so it doesn't get messed up. So let's run zip tie through these. How many of these do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, and I just picked up a 6 accessory fuse block. It's actually perfect. That'll work out nicely. Now, I put dielectric grease on my battery terminals, and I also use that spray, that red colored spray. And these battery terminals are 27 years old. 27 years old. And they're in outstanding shape, I say, for 27 years old. Just dielectric grease and that red spray, just whatever I've got lying around. Just keeps the corrosion from building up on it. Seems to have worked really well for me over the years. I mean, you can look at these terminals. Those are all super old, but no corrosion. That dielectric grease just keeps the, I don't know, whatever's in the air from reacting with the end of the terminal. So give it a try if you haven't tried it before. And there we go. Battery cable is off. Now I got to reset my radio. That's going to be exciting. Winch cable is right there in the way. There it is, the standard Wix filter. Pretty clean, not too bad. By the way, much nicer day to be working on the Jeep. 80 degrees today, loving it. Still humid, but hey, can't win them all. All right. I mean, you can win them all, but that would make you a champion. And well, let's face it, I'm not a champion. It's sad, it's very sad. I'm like one of those 6 and 4 teams, you know what I mean? Just above average. But that's okay. Better than being below average. Half full, that glass. It is half full. You know, I have an electric ratchet I could be doing this with, but then I couldn't talk to y'all for as long. That would make me sad. Boom! Shakalaka. Will it come out? Probably not. Oh, come on already. Help! I'm stuck. Come on, you can do it, little box. There we go. All right, look at there. That pristine, clean fender. This right here is for my Rubicon Express quick disconnect, so I need to put that on the new fender. Other than that, that looks like we're almost there. This isn't as bad as I was thinking it was, or remembering it was. You know, I should shut my mouth before I jinx myself. No, I have it the wrong way. Whoops! Look at that. That works way better. Technology. I like to do it the 8-man way, you know what I mean? I do it the easy way, but I do it the hard way. That is a long bolt. Does it need to be that long? Does it really need to be that long? I kind of feel like it doesn't need to be that long. Am I alone here? Are we on the same page? That is excessively, not obsessively, excessively long. All right, there we go. That's okay. It's all right. Yeah, look at that. See, I got way more access to this one now. I was going to try and get that out before. That was never going to happen. There you go. So there's a tip for you. Take the air box out first. There we go. There's one more bolt back here. Right back there. You gotta take that one out too. Things are falling apart, Gravity. There we go. All right, we'll get there. Unplug my light. Oh, maybe it won't come out because that light, because it's squished. So could take care of that. Yep, that is a T15 confirmed. Think I can reuse that? Maybe I'll just polish out. I don't know. Suspect. I feel like water may get in there. Oh. Look at there. Like new. No low balls. I know what I got. Pull that bulb out so I break it later rather than now. Nice, that wire runs and it connects to a little connector right up here. It's got to come out. And then, of course, it's connected to the side marker. There we go. Maybe I should remove that bulb so I can break it later. Probably a good idea. Let's see if I can do this. Look at that, holding with the armpit. Professional cinematography. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Let's put this where I'll forget it with the other bulb that I'll forget. It's all good. Now it connects right here to the fender. Remembering all this, right? And then eventually it pulls through with all of this lovely stuff. So this bolt here is the fun one to get off because it gets up against the bar right there. So this is one kind of got to take off last because I can pull the rocker guard out as I'm taking the bolt out. So we'll start with this guy right here. This is the fun one because I had to, and you can't see without a flashlight. Let me get a flashlight. So I had to drill a hole in there so that I could put the bolt in there. See if you can see it. There it is. So the fun part is keeping it from falling off the socket as I get it out. I've managed to do it many times, so let's see if I can keep my streak alive. little dirty. It's just proof that I use the Jeep like it should be used. So you can see the rocker guards are still straight after many years of punishment. Beautiful? No. Straight? Yes. In other words, I can still shut my door. So I got a little bit of bare metal coming through here, so I'm just gonna touch it up before I cover it back up. Again, just rust prevention. Not going for show quality here. Remember this, the old self-etching primer. Yeah, so I just cut a hole in cardboard, taped off the top, and I did it. 2 minutes between coats. All right, I got 30 minutes for that primer to dry, so let's get back at it. There we go. All right, good job, Greddy. I've done this before, haven't you? You could probably get that with a regular ratchet. I'm just being trying to make it more complicated than it needs to be. Oh my goodness. Does not help with the hood. Come on. Don't make me get out the impact. Don't make me do it. Come on. There it goes. You an ornery little thing. Get out of there. Oh, gravity. Got it. Oh. We got two more. We got one here. Probably can't see. And then we got one further up. Oh my gosh. I'm getting assaulted. Oh. Way up there. Oh, this is not going to be fun. Greddy, why don't you do a better job cleaning your Jeep? Huh? Yeah, well, why don't you get under here and clean the Jeep, huh? Think you're so smart. Oh. Yes, dirt in the mouth sucks. This is fun, right, folks? Wrenching with Greddy. Getting dirty. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, yeah, you know what? Not landscape. There we go, landscape. Oh, look, this thing has a light on it. How about that? Oh, this thing does not want to come out. It's in there pretty good, folks. Yeah. Oh, yeah, no. Isn't that ready? Everything under here wants to cut you. Oh, that arm's tired. Switching arms. Glad I have power tools. Good thing. Makes it so much easier. It's just that easy. See? No problem. Right now, if you think it'd probably be easier to get this with the tire off, well, you'd probably be right. Wouldn't have ever done anything the easy way. You know? Yeah, I started a YouTube channel in 2007 and abandoned it and started a different one. 2018 and then split that off and started another one in 2024. Yeah, because that's what I do everything the hard way. I should just stuck with the original one. 3 down, 1 to go. That actually is going pretty good. Uh-oh, I better shut up before I get to this last one. Knock on wood. There we go. Come on, ready. She's sliding. We got a slider, boys. We got a slider. Let's put one back in. There we go. There we go. Let's not get too far ahead of ourselves now. There we go. All right. Woo. All right. 3 more. Let's do it. And we need an extension. Correct way. Start with the top one. Ah! Oh my goodness, that actually just came right out. Gravity. Ah! Oh my goodness. All right, let's not break my ratchet. Oh my goodness. I feel like this thing's just gonna come off, fall on my arm. Two terrible things. We're gonna hold it. All right. It is ready to come off. Did I miss one? Not here, but I missed one. Oh, I missed 3. Sure did. Looky here. Gotta get those. Now you are inside the bowels of the Greddy Jeep. Yes, you are. Oh, that's pretty cool. Very exciting. Not many have been in here, but you are one that has. Oops, I locked it. There we go. There we go. One more. Yeah. Maybe I should grunt less and work more. Grunting. Oh my goodness. What is wrong with you? Why are you so hard to come out? Nope. Let's get a ratchet. Know what you're thinking? Great, why don't you just use the impact? I'm sure I can fit it in there.
certain that it's cross-threaded. No way, not me. Who's worked on this before? I'm ready to bed. I'm done.
Voila. Now the wire will feed through here. That's what I thought. It is connected. Yes, it is. It is connected. And I cannot get my hand in there. All right, there we go. Yeah, disconnect it. There we go. Get down there. Quit bugging me. All right. Voila. Try number 1158. Up. Up. And out. Had to clear that. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Greddy, that looks pretty sweet. You could probably run some 50-inch tires on there. I'm kind of in agreement. Maybe we should just button it up like that and go with a bigger tire. So what we could do is we could run 40s in front with 410 gears, and then run 35s in back with the 488s. I think y'all are on to something. Or is that, wait a minute, no, that's not right. No, I need to put like 588s in the front and put like 410s in the rear. That's too much work. Yep, way better. I mean, way better. That was a bad can. Well, that's night and day difference. This can was way better than the other can. So I must have just had a bad can. Huh. All right, now I'm going to transfer everything from that fender to that fender. And there's really not much to see there, so I'll just do that while y'all hang out and wait till I'm done. That's it. All done. Missing one right there. That's not too bad, just missing one. So I think I found one that works in my box of miscellaneous bolts and whatnot. So we may end up with one anyway. And that would be cool. Oh, baby. Yes, indeed. Fits like a dean. Beautiful, perfect. Every once in a while you win one. I'll take it. All right, time to get it back together. I threw some anti-seize inside there to keep it from seizing up. I broke one of these clips here, so I got a bolt and a washer I'll put in there. And put some anti-seize in there, in the holes. I think it's gonna go good. Over the top. Easier said than done. There we go. There, baby. Perfect. Done. I wish. Ah. Actually, that's really easy. somebody's grilling and I can smell it. And it smells good. This looks super fun. There we go. Well, maybe not there. It wants to go down. And down it went. Yeah. Look at that. Watch out, Robbie Layton. Coming for you, bro. I think your job is safe. Oh, Granny. Got nothing for you. That's your word. Yeah. Guess that looks pretty even. I'm just gonna tighten it up. I think it's good enough. All right, let's see. There. It's over here, so it goes up there. Get in there. All right. Voila, voila. Yeah, when you get done fighting a floppy wrench, just go get a socket and a regular wrench. Get it done. That's what we're doing. All right, this fell off again for the 450th time. 4,675,000th time. Goes one of these ways. Get on there. No. Yeah, these are going to be funky and dirty in no time, but it's protecting the wires, so that's what matters. This was starting to get into the body. There we go. Looks much better. There we go. Winch cable all the way over there. We could get a little chaffing right there, but you know, it's not perfect. Just like the Greddy Jeep, not perfect. I say that a lot. All right, I think it's time to get the battery back in. Duralast Platinums. We'll be hating on the Duralast Platinum, I'm telling you. This thing has outlasted my Optima, my Napa Gold, the Sears brand battery. I'm telling you, this thing is legit. Legit. But y'all can doubt if you want to. Ah! Ow! That wasn't a shot, that was my finger. Don't beat on that. Okay. Oh, I broke it. No, I didn't. Come on, get on there. Don't do it. Don't do that to me. There we go. Greddy, how many wires you got there, buddy? A lot of wires. Yeah, it's the best thing about Jeep is accessories. Come on now. Don't act like you don't want all of your accessories. Let me ask you this. What does your battery terminal look like? Huh? Be honest. Okay, if it's better than this, then proud of you. Yeah! There we go. Well, change of direction there. I like it. Almost there. I got the air box on, air filter in, got it tightened up, everything looking just great. All I gotta do is put the light in. Heck yeah. Got that off of Rock Auto. There we go. All right. There we go. Just got to do the KC light. Of course, I got to get the rocker guard back on, but we can take care of that in the morning. All right, it is day number 2. I am refreshed and ready to go. Gonna get the KC light put on here. That's gonna finish up our, well, actually, no, it's not gonna finish up our, we also get the rocker guard on as well. So I can do the rocker guard and the KC light. And once we get that done, the moving tree repair damage will be done. And so from this point forward, I need to be a little more cautious on moving the Jeep forward without looking where I'm going. Yeah, I know it's. Yeah, it just completely snapped out the base of the light, so there was no fixing it. I can only replace it. So went to the Jungle website, grabbed a replacement. Oh, that's the wrong direction. Other way, lefty loosey. Lefty loosey. A little tree, boy. It's a little baby tree. But look at that fender. Oh my goodness. So smooth. I was gonna wet sand it and polish it, but then it would look so much better than the rest of the Jeep. It wouldn't match, I wouldn't think, because it would be in near perfect condition. Everything else would be kind of old. I gotta do something about this hood eventually. Yeah. Just not looking forward to it, because I really need to get the windshield frame as well. And it's got the seal on it around the windshield, around the glass rather. I really need to get the glass pulled. If I get the glass pulled, then I wouldn't have any trouble getting on it. That'll be a future video. Let's have a look, see at that. Is it pointed forward? I'll adjust that later on. Let's her out. I can see spot right now. There's the plug. just that easy. I need to tighten this. All right, we got backed up with some vice grips because, well, I'm lazy. Oh, camera. Gravity's always a pain in the butt. That's about right. Oops. And there we have it. Dun, dun, dun. We're back. I know these aren't the fanciest, newest Casey lights out there, but I like the retro look, you know? It's a 97. I like it to look like a 97. Now I gotta get the hole drilled right there for my rocker guard and get the rocker guards back on. All right, so I put some painter's tape on my step drill bit so I know when to stop. That's when we're gonna stop her. And let's see if we can find my mark. Look at that. Oh, let's see if you can see it raw. There. There's my mark. Pretty close to the thing that holds the old flare on, but luckily we're far enough away, it's not gonna be a problem. Testing action here. Yep, she's on there good, boys. That's it. All done. Tree damage has been repaired. Greddy Jeep is back to former status. Job is done. Appreciate y'all joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from this. If not, maybe you got some entertainment out of it. I don't know. If you did, hit the like and or subscribe. Come back, check out some more. For myself, Greddy, y'all have a great evening.